everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Julia, a Dallas-based flight attendant. However, for today's video, I thought I would do something a little bit different. I thought it would be really fun to film what I eat in a day. Are you hungry? You want breakfast? Now that the kids are fed, and by kids I mean Luna, I will start making my breakfast. I eat oatmeal almost every single day for breakfast, and this is the one that I've been loving lately. It's Better Oats, organic, bare. It has oats, barley, wheat, quinoa, and rye. Recently, I've been putting a little bit of cinnamon in my oatmeal and I've been loving it. And you really just need a little bit to mix in because it's such a strong flavor. And then a few other things that I like to add into my oatmeal are actually about a handful of these oatmeal squares cereal. It adds a really good crunch along with some craisins and either blueberries or strawberries, kind of just depending on what I have in the house at the time. This is everything put into the bowl and mixed together. It might not look that appealing or that great, but it tastes so good and I seriously never get sick of eating this. And now that Luna is done eating, we try to give her a dentist stick every day. Luna! She'll come running right down. Luna. All right, brush your teeth. And then she always takes any treat we give her, runs into this corner and eats it over here. So now I am just eating my breakfast. I do have some plans today, even though I'm not flying. I really want to go to the gym and get in a good workout. And then I have so much editing on YouTube to catch up on. And then I am on reserve for work this month, which means my company can call me at any time to come work a trip. However, we do have guaranteed days off and today is one of those days. So I do think I am going to pack for a trip just in case if I do get called for one tomorrow. I also do take some supplements. This is a collagen supplement, which is really good for your skin. This is just a daily multivitamin, Allegra allergy medicine because I have horrible allergies. This is biotin, and this is apple cider vinegar, which is really good for your digestive system. I'm about to head to the gym now. I am honestly not feeling very motivated to go. I don't really want to go work out right now, but I know that once I'm there and afterwards I will feel much better. One of the downfalls to living in Texas are the freaking bugs, but there is a giant mosquito in my car right now. And I'm super basic like most girls. I hate bugs. We've been getting wasps in our condo lately, and I think just because it's starting to warm up, and it seriously freaks me out. I need to somehow get it out of my car. There you can see the little guy. I think it's a mosquito. I don't know. It could be something else. If you're like a bug expert, let me know. I don't know, do I like roll my windows down? All right, I just made it to the gym, so I think I'm gonna turn my car back on and roll the windows down a little bit, and hopefully it'll just fly out while I'm in the gym. Just got back to my car. It was a good workout. I don't see the mosquito in my car anymore, so that's good, unless if it's like flying around in the back somewhere. What kind of music do you guys like to listen to when you work out? Recently, I have just started listening to the artist NF. He's a Christian rapper, and I really like him. I feel like his lyrics really come from his heart, and he doesn't rap about drugs, and his lyrics are not like degrading to women, and he also doesn't swear in any of his music. I also really like rock. I have liked it ever since I was in like middle school and high school. Some of my favorite bands are A Day to Remember, Breaking Benjamin. I really like Skillet, which is a Christian rock band. But I saw A Day to Remember in concert my senior year of high school, and I swear to God, I like cried. I just love them. I guess that might be kind of like a surprising fact that I really like hard rock and roll, and I'm just like this little blonde woman. Just got home from the gym, and I think I'm gonna make a protein smoothie. This is seriously the easiest protein smoothie ever to make. So I use this fruit. It's organic super smoothie, and we get all of this from Costco. Has blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, kale, spinach, and bananas, and they come in these like perfect little bags of frozen fruit. Some 2% lactose-free milk, and this gold standard 100% whey protein. I just put 1 scoop in my protein shakes. So now I'm gonna get some office work and YouTube editing done with the help of Miss Luna. But Eric and I recently upgraded our office and I am in love with it. Over here I have some pictures from my gymnastics days, and he has the exact same desk that I do, just on the other side of the room. I also love my big mouse pad. It's a world map, and you guys, Eric did the cutest thing ever. He had Jed and Julia stickers made for me. I have like 150 of them, so if you ever see me in person, please come say hi so I can give you a sticker. I feel like I'm putting it everywhere. I have a sticker on my planner, on my mouse pad, and I recently just put one on my laptop as well. Here I have a bookshelf, which I'm in love with, so I can put all of my books up here. And I've never talked about Jake on my channel, but this was my childhood dog, and unfortunately he passed away about a year and a half ago. I miss him so much, but he's right here. I have his ashes in this little box, so you all get to meet Jake. I have the picture of Eric and I right here from our cruise, and of course Miss Luna. Here is kind of like my gymnastics section. This was actually my graduation cap. It says "She will change the world." I have my NCAA participation medal from the national competition. For lunch I'm gonna have a turkey sandwich, and I love this Dave's Killer Bread, the 21 whole grains and seeds. It's so good. And the only turkey meat that I will eat, it is my absolute favorite, is the Boar's Head maple honey glazed turkey. It is seriously so good. On my sandwich I have a little bit of mayo, turkey, some bell peppers, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of shredded cheese. So I just got a notification that I am on the call shift tomorrow from 2 a.m. until 2 p.m. I am starting to pack a suitcase just in case I get called in the middle of the night. So I've just begun packing some stuff I always bring with me. Our tennis shoes, purse, hair straightener, lotion, makeup remover wipes. So far in here I've packed a pair of shorts, a few tank tops, some leggings. I'll also put some pajamas and probably jeans and a sweater in here. And I have Miss Luna up here who is helping me. Are you helping me? Oh, you jumping down? Okay, bye. So Eric is home from work now, and he is preparing our steaks. We're going to, what is it called? Sous vide them? Sous vide. We're going to sous vide them. It's this bucket, and you fill it with water, and this thing puts it to the exact temperature that you need to cook your meat at, and it cooks it perfectly every single time. Just pulled some sweet potato fries out of the oven. These look delicious. And then we also bought this bread that was super cheap. It was only $2 from our grocery store, and you just put it in the oven for a few minutes at 400. Luna's like, I'll have the steak. Daddy, give me the steak. This is our dinner tonight. It's steak with sweet potato fries, and Eric is bomb at making steak. And while we eat, we are watching Dr. Pimple Popper on Hulu. We're already on season 2. I think it is such a good show. Like, Luna's gonna get a little bit of the fat. Ooh! Good girl, Luna. Eric and I just finished cooking dinner, so we're gonna eat and watch some TV. Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my travel tips and adventures. I'll see you guys next time.